welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the Hai Chau area. I've got my friend Adam here with me, a proper Aussie bloke who's just checked into the Haian Hotel Riverfront. All right, we're gonna go and explore the region here a little bit and go to have some noodles that I recommend.
Yeah,
Ky Ky Hu Tieu. There are so many restaurants here, so pretty tough to choose, but I like this one very much. Yeah, the footpath, yeah. But you know what you have right next to your place? First of all, you have a Thai food restaurant, but this here is a very interesting place. This is a nightclub, Karma Lounge, okay? I've been there actually with the lads the other time. Looks pretty cool. I like the whole inside. So it depends how full it is, right?
pretty fancy,
Yeah, yeah. And then you have also another one, Hair of the Dog Club.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, most of these places don't really kick off early, hey?
Yeah, but yeah. I feel like there are not really long time nightclubs, because in Germany we're out until 5, then maybe a break, and then it continues until 12.
Yeah, right.
We got proper nightclubs, so it's hard to compare the world to Germany to start, right? But this place I actually had one time at nighttime. I think they're 24 hours open. Hello. And I had the pho here. I was drunk, so I don't know if it was good, but it was good. It felt good, I think. All right, let's walk over.
It's definitely got a different vibe. To
Definitely. This is like bustling. Hello. And also, there's the pink church, the cathedral, right over there.
Right.
And to the Han market is over there. But here, we're gonna go all the way down and then to the right, check out the Hu Tieu place I really like. In this street, I call it the chocolate street, because they have chocolate house over there and the Marubu chocolate factory over there. Do you like chocolate, Adam?
Yes.
Yes? We should check that out. It's good. Vietnamese coffee, not coffee, chocolate.
Yeah, I didn't know they were famous for chocolate. But
Yeah, they do chocolate too. And look at this, this is the Wink Hotels. This is the Wink Hotels on the city side. There's also one on the beach side, on the river as well. But look at this chocolate place here, the chocolate factory. Let's check it out real quick. Very empty at the moment. But as you can see here, you can try out all those chocolates here, and then you have more chocolate here. Everything chocolate. Okay, hello. Chocolate cookies. Oh, I love chocolate cookies. Oh my God, but I cannot. And then there, I think they prepare it over there. The chocolate factory.
watch them.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's so many different types of chocolate. I'm still looking out for one specific type of chocolate I saw on a reel on Facebook. There was a chocolate with pork stripes, like pork, salty pork. I really want to have that too. So they even have merch here. Pretty nice.
Pork chocolate.
Yeah, that's what I want to have. Yeah, I know. I know. But I think I have to go to Saigon for that. Yeah. They're selling water here. Hello. And then there's also an interesting hotel, Val Soleil Hotel. There's some hotels here I still have to check out. I mean, a lot actually.
I think hundreds.
Hundreds, yeah. But today we're gonna have a big one, the Haian Hotel. I'm gonna do the review today. This is gonna be very interesting, because I was very impressed about the Haian Hotel at the beach already.
Yes.
The service and the quality, very good. And the breakfast as well, because Francois stayed in the Haian and he brought me into breakfast to check that one out. So I know Haian breakfast is good. Could be pretty crowded at some point at 9 o'clock. So they usually recommend to go earlier. But yeah, I think it's also very Korean based. Lots of Korean tourists in there, in both of the hotels.
Different vibe, different feel.
Yeah, and lots of golf people.
Definitely the footpaths are definitely a little bit better maintained or
the
wider.
footpath. The footpath. Yeah, we are Australians today, so We call it footpath.
I'm Skip and this is Sammy.
Oh. Also, Adam brought me some gift movie. What was it? What is the name again?
Vegemite.
Vegemite. I will try it out soon on camera, actually.
That would be fun.
I will try it out with butter and bread. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is also a very interesting dish from the north, I think. This is fish and then some kind of greens, and they have mum tom to it. This is my favorite sauce.
Yeah.
You still have to try it, Adam.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. I'll
Oh,
get there.
I love it. You go there, yeah. If you bring me Vegemite, I bring you mum
We're
tom.
on tour. I have to do it. Committed.
All right, so here you have also lots of Korean. There's also a barbershop, a pretty interesting one. I have to try it out one day. You got sushi places. Al fresco. Is al fresco also in Australia? I feel like it's a big chain.
Maybe, I haven't seen it in Sydney.
Ah, okay. Maybe it's American.
Pretty quickly, some of these places.
Then also, this is an Italian place. Also, yeah, limoncello. Then we have the Highlands coffee over there. But we're actually gonna continue here.
Good standard, the Highlands.
We're gonna continue over there. There's also a coffee shop that is very Instagrammable. Look, and here in this street, you have very stylish coffee shops as well. Come here. All right. The Australians have a little bit issues here with looking in the wrong direction.
Yes, it happens.
Yeah. So Thailand is pretty easy, but Vietnam is a little bit more challenging. I have issues with when I go to Thailand. I always look in the wrong direction and then I hear some honking and I'm like, oh my God, I just died.
It's just a second guessing, you know? Like,
Yeah. This is also a pretty stylish place, and this cheese thing, I went there. I think for the German channel. We tried out some bubble tea over there. Yeah.
The interesting thing is things look totally different in the daytime to nighttime.
Yes, that's true.
Different feel.
Let's go over. Look to the right. Yes. So here, lots of locals, girls making photos here all the time.
Yeah.
Look at this. What is that? Souvenirs, chocolates. Huh. Pottery. Okay.
Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, don't bring your daughter here, else.
My mum would love all that too.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. You can buy some clothing here. North Face. Oh, this looks like this typical stores where you can get all kinds of branded clothing.
Just a step up from the market.
Yeah. Interesting. North Face. Let's lurk in a little bit. Oh, okay. If you want to have some North Face, back face.
Puffer jackets there.
Puffer jackets.
Maybe that's for Bunner Hills, is it?
It can be cold, not really cold here, but in the north could be cold. Yeah, that's true. Also Dalats could also be. Crocs and bag. You think they're real though?
I love my Crocs.
You love Crocs? But you're a family father. You are allowed to wear them.
Yeah.
You already did your duty to the world. This is the adventure Crocs, the off-road Crocs.
Oh, that's just ridiculous, isn't it?
I heard those ones are very comfortable.
I like the one that doesn't have the thing between them.
Yeah.
I think that's gonna be perfect.
Oh God, this looks like your age, man.
I'm gonna come back for sure.
Oh man. I mean, I also have my dad shoes on, but I think Crocs. I still have to make children for that first.
I've traveled the world in Crocs.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
My God, you Aussies. This looks like a best steak in town. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's see. Okay. This is a big sign. If they accept American Express, then it's expensive. Oh wow. This is a place I always wanted to check out. Sultan Kebab.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I always wanted to check out this here. But it's too far to
They have
order.
the lamb.
Yeah, lamb kebab platter.
Oh,
Ooh.
could be good, eh?
Some shawarma here.
Oh, that looks pretty
$4.
traditional.
Damn it. Kebab offer. All right. And this here is a very famous place. We should have a coffee over there afterwards. It's a salt coffee place. Very famous, big brand. This is usually very, very packed. Very packed.
Very authentic looking with the stools and the chairs.
Yeah, yeah. But they also have now, I think, 2 more locations. One also in the Antung area. A little bit in the outskirts, but this is the way. It's the noodle restaurant is right next to the 4 Ps, which is also a huge recommendation if you want to have nice pizza, nice place. It looks very,
Love
yeah.
Italian.
It's like a fusion, I think. Italian, Japanese or something? I'm not sure. Oh, some kind of fusion Italian. But very, very delicious. My wife loves
I
the...
didn't see any like tourists in that.
Watch out, watch out.
Wow. All the locals. They're onto something, huh?
But yeah, so here's also Yushoken Ramen. It's also very popular there. I went in there once to check it out. But yeah, here, rice dishes over there. There are lots of good things. The same as here, you have the vegan. There's always chai. So inside this alley, there's a vegan restaurant. But we're gonna wanna go there.
Prices are on every turn.
Yeah.
Or in Vietnam in general.
City Point apartment, that might be interesting for you to stay. It's a very good location here. But this is a Hu Tieu Kiki. I think it's not the right time, but it's why it's empty, but it's good. Hello. We just sit here. It's the same spot I stayed with Francois.
Right, cool. Deja vu, yeah?
Yeah, and they have, yeah, this is what I like. Char siu noodle, and I want to have it dry. Beautiful. I know what I want.
Well, we'll have 2 of them.
You want to have 2?
I mean, you have one and I'll have one.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
And we're
Hu
gonna,
Tieu. They also have it with
good
squid.
for you, it's good for me.
If you have with squid, it's Hu Tieu Muk.
I might pass on the squid.
Yeah, but maybe I will. I also like those fish cakes. I really like too. Maybe I can order a fish cake with char siu. Char siu is actually the cheapest one, 39,000 dong. That's very good value, $1.20, something like that. Yeah, I'll show you how it looks. All right, guys, it has arrived. We got some wonton, we got some quail eggs, we got the dry noodles, and then to it we have broth. Okay, I always put the broth in anyways, but yeah. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Also, check out this place as well here. Ban Kan, very nice as well. The whole street is very interesting, guys. The 4 Ps over there, the salt coffee. I have it all in my guides. Check out the link here and see you in the next one. This video is also very great. Also, don't forget to check out the hotel review I'm gonna do on the Haian. I think it's gonna be very nice.